I have to say that when I had this vision of this phthalo blue and lime green, it looked a little different in my head, but the way this turned out, I love it. You got to see it. I'm gonna show it to you. So beautiful. It if there was such a thing as a green fire, this would be it. I just love it. Hello. I was asleep, and when I woke up, I had this vision of lime green and phthalo blue. Lately, I've been experimenting with Dutch pours, and I'm learning. It's a learning process, but I have to tell you, the hairdresser in me loves working with this blow dryer. So, color and a blow dryer, I am all about it. So, my vision was very simple. It was phthalo blue and lime green. So I'm just using these two colors. I have them mixed up, all ready to go. I don't know if you can see my consistency, but you can see it's just not making a mound. It's just falling right back in, disappearing right back into the paint. And I mixed this green myself. I had some phthalo blue, no, mostly lemon yellow, and then I put one drop of phthalo blue. I got these paints from Hobby Lobby, so this is what I'm working with right here, this phthalo blue and this lemon yellow, because I wanted that little beautiful lime green. So I think I'm working on a series here, and yeah, so let's just get started. And I taped off my canvas because I wanted a certain outcome, so wish me luck. Okay, and I'm going to remove the tape. the moment of truth. Oh, let's do the bubbles. Let's get these air bubbles out of here. Wish me luck. Where is my spatula? Let's go around and touch up my corners. a little bit more remaining air bubbles. Okay, that's the finished product. I really love how the blues and the blue and the green make different shades of green and different shades of blue. Almost looks like purple. I really like it. So let's see how it dries. Thanks for watching. I did fiddle around just a little bit more off camera, so this is what is going to dry. So there is my phthalo blue and lime green Dutch pour. That's how it turned out. That's how it dried. And I really just love that. This is my favorite part here. I don't know if you can try to point. And this right here, I love the way the colors just kind of because and they turned off the light that I have sitting on my kitchen table because it seems like you can see better this way. You can see the vibrancy of the color like this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.